I think if you succeed, every mistake become legendary. If you fail, that's just garbage. Everybody has great stories. Everybody had a lot of mistakes. Everybody had a lot of problems. But very few people listen to you. One day, when you become successful, people listen to you. People will say, "Wow, you are great." I'm not that great. I was born in a normal family. I'm not good at schooling. Of course, I tried to study hard. But as a boy, my school was not that good at the time. So, I failed looking for job, looking for joining university and joining good schools. But I'll never give up. I think there is one thing I learned why you should have chance to be successful. Everybody get used to fail, but not used to get accepted by other people. Why other people should help you? You should earn the right to be helped. The thing I learned is don't give up. My opportunity has not come yet. When everybody complains, that is an opportunity. I always thought when I was young, when I was in high school or university, I thought Bill Gates took off my job. Bill Gates did all the successful things. Larry Ellison from Oracle, they took all the wonderful opportunities. IBM benefit. We people have no opportunity. I think I aim too high. I should aim to support and help people around me. Do tiny things. I never thought I could be today. After 18 years, Alibaba became today's size. Not because I'm a smart. I don't think I'm a smart person. But I work with a lot of smart people. Most smart people, they always want to do successful things, quick and easy things. I think it's not easy to be successful quickly. Every time, everything we do, we prepare for 10 years. I know I am not smart. If we want to be successful, we have to win 10 years later. If we want to be successful, we have to work with smart people. If we want to be successful, we should make a lot of mistakes and never give up. Lot of people make mistakes, they have problem, they give up. We never give up. We learn from mistakes. I think when we fail, the message, the experience, the advice I want to give you, you are judged when this person will be successful or not when he fail. He thinks it's his fault or the other fault. If he thinks I failed because of others, this guy have no chance. Those people who fail always think it's my fault. I do not do it properly. I should change here or change there. These guys have opportunity. I learned a lot from those people who fail. I learned a lot from those people who made mistake. I learned a lot from my mistake. This is my life attitude. When I fail, I say, see, I failed. When I succeed, I never know I could be successful. This makes me very positive and optimistic. Because of so many mistakes, too much of failure, that make me never complain because I get used to that. We are making mistake every day. Even today, we make stupid decision almost every day. We thought it was smart, but final result proves it was stupid. But we learn and we do again. We learn, we do again. There's a way. There's a life attitude.